Frustrated by the Windows Storage Search Module DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. As we prepare the manual solution for Windows Storage Search Module, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This is the Windows Storage Search Module, a foundational WinRT library responsible for managing file indexing and search queries within the Windows shell. It handles the backend for File Explorer's search bar. If missing, searching for files will result in a search service is not responding error or an immediate Explorer hang. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open Command Prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc/scan now to restore core system components, including the missing Windows Storage Search Module DLL. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Windows Storage Search Module file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Manual intervention with Windows Storage Search Module DLL is dangerous because it can overwrite newer, secure versions of the file with older, vulnerable ones. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for Windows Storage Search Module. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Windows Storage Search Module error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.